In the early 1990s, the U.S. Department of Defense launched the Advanced Tactical Fighter ATF program. The goal was clear: develop a fighter that would combine the best elements of air superiority, ground attack, stealth, and maneuverability into one unmatched package. The competition was fierce, with several aerospace companies vying for the contract. Among them, Lockheed Martin, partnered with Boeing and General Dynamics, stood out with their design for what would later become the F-22 Raptor. The F-22 was not just an evolution of existing technology, it was a leap into the future. The design was driven by the concept of stealth, the ability to avoid detection by radar and other sensors. The Raptor would combine advanced aerodynamics with revolutionary stealth features, allowing it to strike from anywhere without being seen. It was a bold vision, but one that required years of development and numerous challenges. In 1991, Lockheed's YF-20 prototype first took to the skies. The design was sleek and futuristic, with angular wings and advanced composite materials. The aircraft demonstrated exceptional agility and speed, outperforming its competitors. By 1997, the YF-20 was selected for production, becoming the F-22 Raptor, with its first flight taking place in 1997. What was to come next would change the way we think about aerial combat forever. The F-22 Raptor is not just another fighter jet. It is a masterpiece of modern engineering, designed to excel in multiple areas of air combat. At its core, the Raptor combines cutting-edge technology, advanced materials, and an array of innovations that make it the most advanced fighter aircraft in the world. First and foremost, the Raptor's speed and maneuverability are second to none. Powered by two Pratt and Whitney F119 engines, the F-22 is capable of reaching speeds in excess of Mach 2, or over 1,500 miles per hour. Its supercruise capability allowing it to fly at supersonic speeds without the need for afterburners ensures that the Raptor can maintain its edge in long-range engagements. But speed alone isn't enough. In dogfights, agility is everything. The Raptor's thrust vectoring nozzles give it the ability to perform extreme aerial maneuvers that leave traditional fighters trailing in its wake. It can turn on a dime, entering and exiting combat with ease, making it virtually impossible for an adversary to keep up. The F-22 also boasts an unparalleled suite of avionics. Its radar system, the APG-77, is one of the most advanced in the world, allowing it to detect and track targets at ranges far beyond the capability of earlier systems. It can detect multiple targets simultaneously and share that information with allied units, making the F-22 an essential part of any modern air combat strategy. Despite its revolutionary capabilities, the F-22's combat experience would be relatively limited in its early years. After its entry into service in 2005, it was mainly involved in air policing and training exercises, with only a handful of operational combat missions. However, its presence was a game changer for the US Air Force. In 2014, the F-22 saw its first combat action in the skies over the Middle East, It played a vital role in airstrikes against ISIS targets, proving its worth in real combat scenarios. The Raptor's stealth and sensor capabilities allowed it to strike targets with precision while evading enemy radar, further cementing its reputation as the most advanced fighter in the world. In every operation, the F-22 proved that it was not only a formidable weapon, but also an essential asset in the U.S. Air Force's arsenal. Its combination of stealth, speed, agility, and advanced avionics made it a vital tool for ensuring air dominance in any conflict. While the F-22 Raptor was an incredible achievement, it was not without its challenges. The aircraft's development was marred by delays, cost overruns, and technical difficulties. Its initial budget was set at $35 billion, but the final cost came in significantly higher, leading to significant debates about its value and the future of the program. The cost of the F-22, coupled with the shifting priorities of the U.S. military, led to a reduction in the number of aircraft produced. Originally, the U.S. Air Force had planned to acquire over 700 F-22s, but the final number ended up being just 187. This decision, though made for budgetary reasons, meant that the F-22's role as a frontline fighter would be limited in scope. Despite these challenges, the F-22 Raptor remains one of the most influential fighter jets ever created. Its unparalleled combination of speed, stealth, and agility set the standard for future generations of aircraft. It continues to serve as the cornerstone of U.S. air superiority, and its design has influenced the development of future aircraft, including the F-35 Lightning II.